Okay, this is the question that we are going to solve. The sum of the first three terms of a convergent infinite geometric series is 19. The sum of the series is 27. Find the first term and the common ratio. I need to explain some notation over here. When it says convergent infinite geometric series, well, I only talk about an infinite series diverging when we cannot find the sum. Convergent means that we can find the sum. So the infinite sum exists. So this means that the absolute value of r is less than 1, according to what we have studied in the previous video. What we know then is that when we sum, well, we have a sequence. Let's say we call u the first term and r the common ratio, and the common ratio is less than 1 and it's geometric. And then if we consider the sum of the first three terms, so if we consider S3, that is equal to 19. And if we consider the sum of all the terms of the infinite sum, S infinity, is equal to 27. So what we are trying to find is what is u and what is r. We have a formula to find the sum of the first n terms of any geometric sequence. So in particular, we can apply the formula to S3 because we know that this is 19. And this is going to be u times, and then we're going to have r to the power of 3 minus 1 over r minus 1. Then we also know that 27 is the infinite sum, and that we find by doing u over 1 minus r. Yeah, now this is a bit annoying that when we wrote S3, we have in the denominator r minus 1. I would like to write 1 minus r. To do that, I need to change the signs in the numerator and the denominator. So actually, this is an equivalent formula to write u times 1 minus r cubed over 1 minus r. So we have two equations and we have two unknowns. But those are not linear equations, so it's not that we're going to use a method to solve it. We're just going to be smart. We are going to notice that when we have the expression for S3, we have the u over 1 minus r hiding over there. And we actually know that this is equal to 27. So combining the two pieces of information, we have that 27 times 1 minus r cubed is equal to 19. This is saying that 1 minus r cubed is equal to 19 over 27. So isolating r, we have that 1 minus 19 over 27 is equal to r cubed. So we can find the value of r as being the cubic root of, I'm going to have 27 minus 19 over 27. And this means that r is, we have a cubic root of 8 over 27, so 2 over 3. And it's indeed an r with absolute value less than 1, so that's good. We need to find what is the first term, but we are going to use that 27 is equal to u over 1 minus 2/3. So I'm saying over here that u is the same as 27 multiplied by, and we have to do 1 minus 2/3, that's 1/3. So from here we find that the value of u is 27 divided by 3, so 9. So r is 2/3 and u is equal to 9.